Welcome again to our session on the SeAHABS Training Course 1. I'm Alvin of the SeAHABS Dev team. In last session, I showed you how to directly access SeAHABS Viewer on a computer using a web link. But don't you know that SeAHABS Viewer can also be accessed by the HABHub website? Now I will show you how to access the SeAHABS Viewer on a computer via the HABHub website. Like any website, HABHub can be accessed using any web browser on a computer running on Windows or Macintosh. Open a web browser, either a Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox, or maybe Safari if you're using a Mac. Wait for the browser to open completely. Once it is open, type in this web link on the address bar. And then press enter. Then wait for the HABHub website to load completely. HABHub website is a portal of information and tools collected and developed in the HAB research program, the UPMSI, and the USTP card in partnership with DAB4 and other partners such as SUCs and LGUs. Among the HAB tools developed under the program is the SeAHABS version 2. The HAB tools can be accessed on the Page tab found under the website banner. In the HAB tools, look for the SeAHABS Viewer and click it. Then wait for the SeAHABS Viewer to load completely. Once it is loaded successfully, a splash screen will appear. The splash screen contains announcement regarding the SeAHABS Viewer, such as information on data outage or a new feature or developments on the SeAHABS Viewer. After you read it, click OK. And now you can explore the SeAHABS Viewer. And that's it. I've shown you how to access the SeAHABS Viewer as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now it's your turn to do it yourself. If you have questions or clarifications, feel free to post on the Stream tab of the Google Classroom. Don't forget to explore, navigate, and share the SeAHABS Viewer. See you in the next session.